Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, at first you have to go for the Play Store and get Send Anywhere application to transfer data. So let's get it. Let's start from Xiaomi and then follow on the second device. Let's open on our Xiaomi, and as you can see we have to accept all the stuff here. So when we are in this application, as you can see, we can transfer photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, and of course other files that we have on the smartphone. Right now move to the receive on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and open this application on the second device. And just follow the same steps like on the Xiaomi. It's only example, so I'll show you how it looks on the photos. I will take maybe these 3 photos, then click send. Right now we have to input this key right here in this pool, so tap, and type, boys. Then click to receive. Now we have to wait a little bit. As you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now when we enter for the file manager, in the Send Anywhere folder we can find these photos that we sent. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.